here, and I am back with another review. I am super excited to show you guys my latest addition to my shop, this RIDGID heated jacket. Yep, you heard that right. It is heated. I've got my heat going here, and I'm ready to dive in and show you guys what this baby can do. Let's get to it. So first, I'm just adding the power source to the battery here, as you can see, and it has a little belt clip on it so that you can put it on the back of your pants. I wouldn't put it on my pocket because it is a little heavy. Make sure you put it on the back of your pants here, as you can see. And now I'm just putting on my jacket. The jacket that I'm showing you is a large, and it fit perfectly for me. And there is a little output cord that's in the back pocket of the jacket. So as you can see here, I'm just pulling back my jacket and grabbing that cord. This cord is what's going to allow you to heat the jacket. You're going to plug that cord into the output here. It's right on the side of this battery, as you can see. You just plug it in, really easy. And then there's a power button on the inside of the top of the jacket here. And when you want to heat the jacket, you just press and hold, and it will light up red, as you can see. I'm going to bring it a little closer to the camera so you can see it really well. If you want to turn it off, all you just have to do is just simply press that button. When you turn it on, press it again. It's just that easy. Now, I really love the idea of this, especially in the winter, because it is always cold in my shop. It feels really good when the jacket is zipped up because, you know, the heated parts are in the front and there are some in the back. When it's open, you can't feel the heat as much, but definitely think it's still a great thing to have when it is cold outside. Now, the feature that I really love is that on the power source, there is a USB slot. So perfect for plugging in your phone while you're working. And even if you're not using the jacket, you could plug in your phone with this. So even if you don't use the jacket or really like the idea of the jacket, having this power source and this extra charger is just another reason to want to have this jacket. So really love that part because my phone is always in my hand or close by. So nice to know that I have this available. Overall, I'm really happy with this jacket. I do wish that it heated just a little bit more. You can feel the heat, but it's not a ton of heat. I also would suggest probably getting a little size up from what you normally wear, just because I'm only wearing a thin shirt underneath and it fits pretty snug, and this is kind of the normal jacket that I would wear. But overall, I like it. It's got a nice hood on it. To me, it's a good size for a shop jacket, and I just really like the idea of it being heated. So that's all I have to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out more at handmade-shaving.com. All right, later.